Elementary school students have a new way to learn about their rights and responsibilities as digital citizens in navigating the digital universe, developed by SAE International's A World in Motion and DaVinci. Through blended, hands-on, and digital activities, students learn how to engage the digital world in a positive, responsible way. Students explore 5 planets related to digital safety, communication, literacy, and ethics. The interactive, character-driven curriculum creates an emotional connection between young learners and content, providing compelling learning opportunities and dramatically improving knowledge retention. The website is aligned with national education standards and can be used in a variety of classroom settings. Navigating the digital universe helps students understand how to be kind, how to protect private information, and how to create a healthy balance between online and offline worlds. Practical lessons that will last a lifetime. For more information on purchasing Navigating the Digital Universe, please visit their website.